When a job status is order, it's ready for cutting in SigmaNest. Nesting process begins with part and sheet selection. Required sheet location is noted along with special instructions. Log into SigmaLIFT to find inventory items related to active jobs. Update sheet location or notes. Sheet data updates are exchanged in real time. Parts are nested and NC is applied. Crop line is added and a remnant is created from usable material. Posted programs show sheets ready for transport to the machine. Status is updated for parts in the job. Location of sheet for ready programs are visible in the job. After stock has been transported, the operator can update the status. After the program is finished, remnants are ready to transport. Lift operator can view machine name, dimensions, and stock location. Operator can update remnant location or notes. In SigmaPack, cut parts can be added to a package for shipment. Once dispatch is saved, package is ready for lift transport.